Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a Niter Kibbeh or an Ethiopian spiced ghee. For some aromatics, we're going to chop up a little red onion just into large chunks. We're also going to need garlic and ginger. All of the measurements will be in the description box below. Fenugreek, turmeric, which is going to give our butter a beautiful color, some whole cinnamon, and some whole cloves, a little cumin seed, and some cardamom. I like to smash it just to help release the flavor a little bit. Now we're going to take a big hunk of butter. We're using a half pound. Put it in a small pot. We're going to melt this over low heat. Once it's all melted, we can add in all those ingredients, lower our temperature to very low, and we're going to let this clarify for an hour, just going in and stirring every now and then. It's going to make your apartment or house smell amazing. After an hour, we're going to go ahead and strain this. I'm using a funnel to make it easier, strainer, and some cheesecloth. Pour out all the solids and look at how beautifully bright and clear this butter is. This is perfect for cheesecloth. I actually used it on noodles the other day. It's so fragrant, it's so delicious, and you can use it for just about anything. I like to label it and put the date with the name so I know what it is and when it was made. But there it is, an Ethiopian spiced ghee. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.